Okay, doggies. Let's see what I got.
Oh yeah, treats for me.
Here. Let me see what I got. Kitty.
I love shopping day.
Kitty, are you just gonna nose in there?
I think it's in here.
Come over here. Look. Let me see what I got.
I think I smell something.
Smell something.
What is it? What is it, Kitty? Is it treats?
I'm trying to see. Open the bag. I'm ready. I'm sitting.
I'm ready. What is it?
Treats out last. Okay, like what's first?
I smell something in here.
This cute little sweater for Sugar. Won't that be so
What's
cute
this?
on her? Sugar, should we try it on?
Sure.
Let's try it on.
Let's try it on. I love new clothes.
Look how cute that is. Oh, that's so cute.
Thanks.
Oh, what a cute girl.
Thanks, Mom.
Hurry. Let's see what's next.
Oh, this messes up my hair.
Oh, look at this.
What is it?
New bowls for our new house.
They're empty?
They're empty.
Why do we have empty bowls?
Aren't those nice?
Are you going to fill them?
So nice in our new house.
New house?
Huh.
She always talks about a new house.
She's not going to fill them?
That was strange. Okay, what's next?
Okay.
Treats?
And then we
No.
got Sugar a Halloween costume. There's gonna be a unicorn. Sugar, come back.
Wait, what?
Come here, Sugar.
Oh, more new clothes.
There's gonna be a unicorn.
A what?
You like that? And Kitty.
Oh, treats?
Is going to be
No.
a spider.
Wait, what?
Do you want to be a spider, Kitty?
Me? A spider?
I'm not sure, huh? Over here. So I
Um,
can see you.
Okay.
It's a spider costume. Do you want to be a spider? Should we try it on you?
Clothes on me?
Fantastic.
Okay, let's try this. Clothes on me.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's great, Kitty. That's so good.
That's a bit strange.
What do you think about that? Good job. What a good boy. You're going to be so cute.
Oh, it gets me belly rubs?
Oh, you're funny.
This is fantastic. I do like it. I like belly rubs.
Funny. You try to put Sugar unicorn on?
How about treats first?
Dinner, Sugar.
Okay, more new clothes?
And now I'm changing your clothes again.
Sugar, it's great. You get belly rubs.
Is this going to mess up my hair?
Oh, look at her. She's so cute. Isn't she so cute? Do you like the hat?
No, it messes up my hair.
Okay, sit down, Sugar. Aww.
It messes up my hair.
Cute. You don't like the hat?
No.
Okay, we won't do the hat. Oh, you look cute. You look so cute.
I do? I look cute?
Okay, we'll open the basket. Where did it go?
Treats? Treats now?
Okay.
Yes.
They love these dental sticks, don't you?
Dental sticks.
Okay, everybody sit.
I like dental sticks.
Good boy. Here's one for you.
Yum.
One for you.
Oh, yum. Thank you, Mama.
And that's it. That's what we got at Walmart today.
Yum. If I eat it fast, I might get another.
This is so yummy, I'm going to make it last.
This is almost gone. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe so you can be our friends. Hey, why don't you watch more of us now?